Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Start with the basics. In this video, I will show how to make Dashi Tamago. First, you'll need 3 large eggs, 100 milliliters of dashi, a pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon each of mirin and soy sauce. These simple ingredients are the foundation of a perfect Dashi Tamago. Make sure your rectangular pan is ready to go, as this will be key to achieving that signature shape. Now let's get mixing. Gently whisk your eggs with the dashi, mirin, soy sauce, and salt. Remember, we're aiming for just combined, not frothy, to keep the texture smooth. Heat your rectangular pan over medium-low heat, adding a light coat of oil. Pour in about 1/3 of your egg mixture, letting it spread evenly across the bottom. This first thin layer is crucial for building the tamago. This is where the magic happens, the rolling. Once your first layer is mostly set but still a little moist, gently roll it from one end of the other. Push that rolled egg to the far side of the pan, creating space. Lightly re-oil the empty pan area, then pour in another 1/3 of the egg mixture. Lift the rolled egg slightly so the new liquid flows underneath, ensuring a seamless bond between layers. Keep repeating that rolling technique with your final portion of egg mixture. Each time, roll the omelet towards the opposite end, creating those beautiful, distinct layers. Once all the egg is cooked, gently press and shape your dashi tamago in the pan with a spatula to ensure a neat rectangle. Transfer it to a cutting board, slice it into 1-inch pieces, and serve this delightful dish warm. Enjoy your perfectly crafted dashi tamago.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.